So it's the 25th of July in the night. Actually the 26th. Ooh, the lightning. I just wanted you guys to see. And here, the thunder. So it starts raining really heavily somewhere in mid-July, and then it continues till like September-ish in Playa del Carmen. So if you love the rains, you're gonna love it because it's not that cold rain that you get in America or Canada. It's that really nice, warm, feely good rain that touches your skin. So we love the rain. It reminds us of Mumbai ki barish, as we call it, the rains in Bombay. So yeah. But having said that, the rains don't last for that long, like how it is in India, or it's more like 10 minutes. Like it's not for like, it doesn't go on and on. It doesn't continue raining for like hours and stuff. So yeah, that's a good thing, I guess, or a bad thing. It depends on whether you like it raining or not. So there you go, lightning. So it's been on for around 15 minutes now, and you can see how the rains are becoming less. There's less thunder. I think it's like almost gone. Okay, it's there. But yeah, you get the gist of it, right? So like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.